Welcome to Ukulele Hymns. Today I would like to share with you the hymn For All the Saints. It's a hymn typically sung around All Hallows Eve, which is around Halloween. These are the chords that you're going to need. It's going to be a key of C. So C chord, F, G, A minor, D major chord, D minor chord, and E minor. Let's play through the first verse once through slowly. This hymn is in quadruple time, so we'll use the strumming pattern down, down, up, down. For all the saints who from their labors rest, who thee by faith before the world confess thy name, O Jesus, be forever blessed. Grab a song sheet and we'll play through all 6 verses once through. For all the saints who from their labors rest, who thee by faith before the world confess thy name, O Jesus, be forever blessed. So that was For All the Saints, and it's a very grand hymn when you hear it on the pipe organ. and the choir singing along with it. Ukulele is not quite the same, but still it's a very beautiful hymn to learn, and it's a little bit more difficult. The timing is a bit interesting. There are places where it doesn't come in quite on the same beat as the previous verses, so you have to sort of adjust to it, and you have to pay attention also to, again, there's a few more chords than the usual. I hope you enjoy this. See you next time.